Guys, today we're going to be talking about the large endangered species of the hated child. Now, there's only one thing scientists know about her, but they ensure their job is to keep her safe. Hated child is endangered for one reason, because of another species which we covered last episode, the spoiled brat. This species is the reason why the hated child species is endangered. But there's a 20% chance that the hated child can beat the spoiled brat. How? Because she might turn into a princess while the spoiled brat goes into misery for all of eternity. Now we are going to stop the video so we can have no clips of us spreading apart the hated child and paying for a shelter that the hated child can stay in while we give the spoiled brat to Animal Patrol. Bye!